using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. For the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, Indiana, and Westmoreland, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Van Angel County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Western Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, Eastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Eastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Southern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Grove City to Butler to near Hampton Township to Upper St. Clair, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Monroeville, Greensburg, McKeithport, Jeanette, Latrobe, Vandergrift, Katanning, Apollo, Reimersburg, Plum. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 46 and 71. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 41 and 44. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread wind damage. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Any unit available radio check?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Van Angel County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, west central Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Shanner Northview, or 13 miles north of Butler, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will